from the kitchen, they're calling you. Whip it up, shake it up, make it new. Voices from the kitchen, sing out loud. Turn it into magic, gather round. Tap, tap, listen close. Bang, bang. Flavors talk back to you.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Voices from the Kitchen tonight. As you can see, we poured a good old Gertie's humble knife, for shoppers of the sharpest. And now, if this is your first time here, to like, subscribe, share, do all that good old stuff. This is a place where we make everyday meals for, you and your family, okay? And today, I'm making some lemon pepper chicken, okay? I'm doing it a little different, okay? I got my little fancy small down the store juicer, okay? So I'm going to do is I want to juice up some real lemon. Right, I took out the knife just to show you. Look at it, it cuts deep. You know what I'm saying? They always tell you that the first cut is the deepest. If you ever been in low and she broke your heart, he broke your heart, you know. When it first, when they start to happen, it can. Listen, beneath the kettle, dear, there are our juice. There are our peppers from the Mediterranean peppers. I really like crack that pepper over there. Then they have lemon. We don't got to love the lemon pepper. We get all the little stuff from they say Ross. So shout out to Ross. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some slits in this. And the reason why I'm going to cut slits in this is due to the fact they want to make sure that Madeline Dwight just get the type of honey, get it all inside of the chicken, okay? I want the flavors talking to us, okay? I want the flavors all of them. So I'm going to give this a good old swirl of whatnot. Swirl over, throw some more prep on there. Then I need to go, yeah, there we go, get a pan, because what we want to do is we want to, toss it up and then put it on the pan, just the same way. We want to get all this in a month. Season the bottom of the pan with some other black pepper too, because why not? Hey, and some of this one pepper as well. And I just like to season the bottom of my pans. Something I've always done, something I continue to do. But I'm going to continue cutting. You can do this wherever way you want to. Got to be very careful there, because that knife is very sharp. As you can see, just butter. All right, cool. We got a lot of stuff cut it up. Put some more cracked pepper on top. We got that lemon juice there. I know this on there. And it's a lot of cracking. I'm going to just tell you that it looks like a lot of cracking. But it's cool. It's cool. It's going to make it you got to get that flavor now. And what I'm going to do is, I'm actually going to take this to the kitchen in the box. Again, my kitchen in the box. Still some of that. I love this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to roast this. I'm going to roast this for about 30 minutes. We needed some veggies to go with our chicken, veggie starch, and I got some of that compound butter there. So it's garlic and herbs made it up. I'm gonna throw this in the box as well. Seasoning up. I want a little kick to it, so we'll chipotle. You know what I'm saying? So this got some steamer broccoli and potatoes. Well, the potatoes were boiling. I didn't show you guys that, but the potatoes were boiling. So I already boiled the potatoes, and I'm going to put them in there. Watch out if I roasted. This is the chicken out of the roast, as you can see. Nice little cuts, nice little char on the end. Voila. Small little plate. It is what it is. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. Be sure to tune in next week from Voices from the Kitchen to make sound.